Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on gold 4-hour time frame, I mean, I really cannot be anything but bullish on gold. The monthly's in an uptrend, the weekly's in an uptrend, the daily's in an uptrend, the 4 hours in an uptrend, the 1 hour's in an uptrend. I really would not recommend anything but longs on gold, and I do understand it is overextended. It's at the 338% Fibonacci extension right now, but overextended doesn't really mean anything. This thing could definitely keep going up. To me, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it makes a double top and breaks structure, then that is what would turn me bearish. Nothing except for seeing this right here on the 4-hour time frame would make me go short in any big way. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, I mean, like I said, I am only recommending longs. I don't really think I would want to go long here. Definitely not. I mean, it looks like it could possibly go down and make more of a ABC pattern, but even that I don't think is a really reliable trade. I would much prefer to just, try to get in on any pullback I see to the long side because you may think it's going to go down and then it just keeps drifting up. So, like I said, I have a really hard time recommending anything but longs on gold. There was a nice log yesterday. You could have gone long there, and there's been a ton of logs over the last several weeks looking for three-way pullbacks, looking for Fibonacci bounces, looking for engulfing moves to the upside to continue to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.